Angelo G. Calve. Ako po ay isang student athlete na taga Baguio. Ang sports ko po ay Taekwondo.
Hi, I'm Kate Judan Gigertas from Baguio City, and my sport is Taekwondo, and I'm BPL.
Hi, my name is Zayt Axis Sarkin from Baguio City, and my sports is Taekwondo, and I'm in grade 8.
Hello, my name is Usher Kane A. Mendoza. I'm from Baguio City and my sport is Taekwondo.
Lisa, AC Kennedy Outline, I'm Baguio City. My sports is Taekwondo, specifically Bumsek, and I am Ginan here.
My name is Jairus Weaver Salome. I'm from Baguio City, and my sports is Taekwondo, Hirogi.
Hello po, I am Marcus Jared D. Macaraya. I'm from Baguio City. My sport is Taekwondo and I'm in grade 8 right now.
Nakakapag-train po kami ng maayos kahit kung online po, tapos yung school rin po namin sa Schoolworks. Maganda po kasi yung mga teacher po namin magagaling. Lahat po, pati yung coaches, pati yung staff na rin po. Lahat po supported po kami, kaya super masaya po talaga. Especially na po kung magkakasama po kaming magti-team since sa sport ko po, Taekwondo. Marami po kaming tournament na nasasalihan. At saka halos always po, palagi po kami magkasama. Kaya masaya po talaga.
My first experience po in class is sobrang kabado po ako kasi sa mga online classes po is wala pa po masyadong close friends. Pero nung tumagal naman po is nagiging na po ka ng friends ay nagiging close na po kami ng teammates namin. And yung sobrang fave memory ko po talaga is ng mga training camps and competitions and online classes po.
Training po, I really enjoyed it din po kasi po yung time po ng training parang ginagamit na po namin yun as quality times para mag-have fun and to learn din po about our sports.
My experience in NAS was a dynamic journey, learning, growth, and forming lasting connections with peers and educators. And somewhat, I am mixed emotion, excited, happy, and at the same time sad. The reality that I will leave my family. I will face my fear of being independent.
My experience in NAS was really good kasi po I could learn a lot from my coaches and my teachers. They also helped me to improve my mentality and determination to improve myself more and to push myself. They also helped me to excel in both my academics and my sports. Although it was very challenging, in the end it was very rewarding.
Although I've been in NAS for 3 years and I've always had a wonderful experience, it's always been fun, and I'm also very grateful for the support that they always give us during our competitions. It's nice that there is school that understands both our sports and our academics.
Uy, tara! Nas!
You like to train in world-class facilities?
Tara, Nas!
Tara nas!
Are you a talented student athlete?
Tara Nas! Are you a talented student athlete?
Tara, Nas!